natin siya. Binibining Charmaine at binibining Rita.
Magandang umaga sa inyo, mga kapamilya. Itinagagalak po namin kayong makita. Thank you, ma'am. So we will be asking questions about technology.
First question, what is PEC?
Well, for me, PEC or Personal Entrepreneurial Competencies refers to the key characteristics that a successful entrepreneur should have in order to be successful. Second question, what are the PECs that an entrepreneur must possess to succeed? As an entrepreneur, first of all, you need to be hardworking to become successful in your business. And you need to be confident, disciplined, committed, and ability to accept change. And also, you need to be creative, and you must have the initiative and need to be profit-oriented.
Can you tell us the importance of software?
Software not only makes your computer hardware perform important tasks, but can also help your business work more efficiently.
Can you give us information about software, shareware, registerware, freeware, and counterfeit software?
Shareware is a type of software licensing that is initially shared by the owner for trial use at little or no cost. And registerware is also a type of software licensing, which refers to computer software which requires the users to give personal information through registration in order to download or use the program. Freeware is a type of software licensing which is available for use with no cost for an optional fee, while counterfeit software is a type of software piracy that occurs when fake copies of software are produced using CD burner to copy the software. Any message to our audience? I just want to say that be responsible to your business or to anything and continue to pursue your dreams and enjoy what you are doing to reach your goals. Thank you.
Thank you for watching our show.
See you again on Business Day Talks.